friend Sai Kirti from Velamal Institute of Technology. I'm here to present on our innovative idea, virtual projection from the mobile.
The main objective of our idea is to project images and script onto thin air. Increase the resolution of the script appearing in the mobile phone. It will not be the same as before. That is without increasing the resolution. That is without increasing the font size. So this is a disadvantage. That is you cannot view the whole of the script without increasing the resolution. So to overcome this disadvantage, we use a technology called as Helio display.
The Helio display is a projector that will display the image and the script on air, resulting in a planar format, that is in the 2D display format. This device doesn't require any special hardware like a background screen or any substrate, but it just display it on the air itself. This was first developed by Chad Dina, who implemented a 5-inch prototype in his apartment, which was further developed by IO2 Technologies in the year 2001. This device is eco-friendly and consumes very less power.
The working of Helio display contains two units, that is a basic unit and a projection unit. The system developed by IO2 Technology uses a projector unit to focus on the air. Here we have multiple layers of air that will be ejecting from the base unit. So it will use to project the images on this thin air. It can run for several hours, and apart from that, it uses the particles present in the air. So here we do not require any background. Only it is created by the in the base unit. Here we have a dozen metal plates. From here, the particles will be re-ejected so that a thin layer of screen is formed, which is invisible to us. This forms a cloud that will be acting as a screen. By changing the molecular properties, the quantities of image such as brightness and image sharpness can also be changed.
There are various models of the Helio display. The first model was created in 2001 by IO2 Technologies, where they could only project images up to 22 inch. The second type of model could project images up to 30-inch diagonal screen size only. Further developments like M3, M30, M50 and M100, they could project images up to 100-inch diagonal screen size. The latest models of Helio display could project approximately 2-meter tall image, that is to a life-size person projection. These can be placed as a standing tower that will take slightly more than the area than the diameter of a paper. The latest model of the Helio display, it consumes very less power, up to only about 300 watts, and this can be moved around by any normal person. I will explain how this device can be implemented on a mobile phone. By combining both the base unit and the projection unit into a single device, we can fix it into the mobile phone in the top rear corner of it. So whenever we want to view it on the virtual screen itself, we just have a software that can be implemented such that we will be able to view it in front of us. Conditions would be the display size on the screen must be at least 7 inches, so we will be able to read it.
The advantages is that we do not require any background screen as in this projector. The screen will be automatically created by the particles in the air with the help of the base unit, as we saw in the working before. And by using this technology, the particles in the air does not get affected. Conclusion is it can be implemented very easily.
This can be used especially by all the passengers who go for long travels. So when we actually increase the size in a mobile phone, all the script will not be in the same screen. We have to keep scrolling it to read the script. So for those passengers who travel a long distance to read novels or something, they'll find it very difficult to keep scrolling it, and they may strain their eyes also. So this implementation will help them to decrease the strain in the eye and also give them a better view for that.